US Consultancy Services. Your success is our success. We are an Australian registered company, established in the year 2008, with the name of trust and experience in the field of study abroad and immigration solutions. We are glad to announce that this time, US Consultancy is coming to City Lahore, at Falatis Hotel. We are here to introduce you the top-ranked universities and colleges of Australia. With that, get more information about immigration policies. Apply in top-ranked universities of Malaysia, New Zealand, Canada, and Sweden. Secure your future with US Consultancy. Visit us at Falatis Hotel on Saturday, 26th January, and get best educational counseling session.